see if Roxy notices. You wanna make a friend, Roxy? Go ahead. We're friendly. We're friendly. Come here. Yeah, we're friendly. Come here. Come here. You thirsty? Oh, Roxy. Roxy, do you think you can catch that thing? Roxy, you're nuts. Roxy, you're nuts. That thing would eat you. Roxy, stay. Roxy, come. Hey, come.
Get over here.
Come. Lunatic. You did come back. Hey, wants to play with you, Roxy. Here you go. Roxy, no. The deer wanted to go that way for real. Hey, Roxy, come. Oh. Ooh, all right. I didn't know you were right there. Hey, Roxy. Who's hanging out? Normally they're close to people. Yeah. It's all good. Roxy was just like in his lap. Yeah, crazy.